end of the road, turning left. We are on what sort of street are we on?
A one-way?
Yep. Now be careful of the bicycle lane markings, the cycle lane. Yes. Look where they are. Where are you going to position the car?
So
where are you going to position the car?
Slightly here?
Yeah, out of the bicycle lane, absolutely.
Yeah, and then...
Now, when you're turning left here, Katie, we did this before, be careful of the red light with the snout.
Yeah.
Because it's not for you, because there's no stop line there, is there?
No, so it's...
It's for
the people
them down there,
me.
yeah. Now, this is all about taking information, this one here. We're going to follow the road ahead. Look at that planning board on the left. There is a right turn followed by a left turn, and we're following the road ahead. There are 2 lanes, so based on there's a right lane and following on, which lane do you think? Right, even look at the right, yeah, so come across to the left. Afterwards, after you go through a green light, what's going to happen? We're going straight on and there's a left turning. Which lane are you going to use for following it on straight ahead, do you think?
Right.
Excellent. So you're going to need to come across. What are you going to check before you come across?
This lane.
Good, in case someone is not as clever as you.
And then...
yeah, so that's on filter, so those people can go because it takes priority and it overrides the red light. Follow it down. And we carry on, making sure the box junction there, we can clear it.
Yeah.
So, even if you've never driven here before, you can do it because you're using common sense. You're developing your skills to take on the information, process it, and use it accordingly.
Yeah.
Take, use, and give information. Tuck. We're driving to the test centre. Mobility scooter nearly. He nearly tipped it. Doesn't look in control. Second exit, follow the road ahead, please.
Right,
so you're still in third gear. Do you reckon? Now, let's look ahead. We also give way to where? The right.
Yeah, but they're all going.
That's all good. All
straight,
blocking. Happy with that car?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, good.
So I'm looking here, indicating.
Yeah, beautiful. At the next roundabout, second exit right.
Okay.
Give yourself time. Take the information in. There's the planning board.
Yeah.
I'm taking the second exit right. If you didn't have that instruction, well, you're going to have 2 lanes here. How on earth would you split that and that? It's got to be the right hand side.
Yeah, so I'm going to stick to this one.
No, second exit right.
Do I have to indicate? Yeah.
Do you think it's in the benefit?
Yeah.
Those people over there, you go and cross them? I think it would. Look across to the right. Is there anyone there? Go.
Yeah.
No, go.
Okay.
So, if they've got the same 2 lanes, Katie, where do you think those people on the left-hand side are going?
Oh, they're going left.
Yeah. So the people on the right are going to go past you. There's no one there. I mean, it's not a guarantee, but it's a pretty good indication that you can... So, take the information in, interpret it, because they're presenting themselves as we're presenting ourselves. Yes. Have a little bit of joy. Dust cart day in Kettering. Indicate.
Oh, yeah.
Just going to benefit there. That's it. If he was about to move on, he'd just say he might not, but hold back, let you get around. Do our signal past cars? Depends. If it's going to benefit. In that situation, did it benefit? Absolutely. We put it on. So again, we're not just thinking of rules are for fools, Katie. Rules are for fools. I always do this following a rule. No, we're following what we're doing is we're following principles. And the principle is signal if it's going to give benefit to other road users. Change your position to show our intention and adapt to speed to show our intention on what we're intending to do. Kind of makes sense. Do I signal left on the third exit on the ramp? Oh, no. Depends. There's benefit. It's quite tricky to keep the 30, isn't it, down this road?
Yeah, because it's uphill, downhill.
4th exit right, please.
Right, okay. So,
So,
this lane,
yeah.
I'm waiting to get past that to indicate.
That's not really a road, is it? So,
It could be.
yeah.
Right.
Good. Rolling it in. Which way is that white car
He's
going?
going.
Which
down
way?
there.
That's a blocker. We'll take that. But,
Oh, fuck.
that was a bit.
Yeah.
Thing is, you should have the clutch. You were rolling it. If we put the clutch down, we should have been in the back. Yeah, third. No, that's it. No. Count. Third. Look across the left.
Yeah.
Signal. So, if you're taking a 4th exit, how do you know it's a 4th exit?
By counting them.
Count them!
Yeah.
So if you get around to the 3rd, you're looking that way. Is it okay to bring the car signal, bring it across? Get rid of that. Follow the red ahead, please. 2nd exit. Could we look early? Happy?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yes.
Go. Right, go. Where are we looking? In the exit we're not taking. And follow the line round. And just have a little check. When you check there, have a little check. No one's going to cut in front of you.
Okay.
Easy. Roundabouts.
I'll get that.
No, you're getting there. Was it negative?
No, I'm saying I will get there. So I'm being positive that I will get there. I'm just not there yet.
Yeah.
Positive and realistic. Where would you like me to go?
I want you to follow the road, unless it's how it was.
Okay.
That's what the examiner's going to ask you to do. You might as well
Yeah.
get used to it. Yeah. Don't be too greedy with the space. Not lots going to open there, is it? That's it, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay, follow the road round, please. We're going to follow the road to the end, and hopefully find a way of... No, we have to turn left, I'm afraid. Turn left. We'll just go around that way. There's too much cars. We'll go around to the left, and we'll park up here today. Drive to the end, find a way of turning the car around, and we'll just park up down here, I reckon. That's the thing about roundabouts is we're always coming in so you can stop at the giveaway because it can change really quickly, and we're always in the right gear to go because once you can go, you've got to go. Any hesitation, what is a gap, will close up.
Okay.
Or you either pull it in front of a car or you'll stop and go, oh, I can't go, and then there'll be hesitation marks going on.
Okay. Alright.
Give yourself time. I'm looking as early as possible.
Yes.
So speed and early observations gives you time. If you've got the car prepared in that time, we can just go.
Teaching you the way, driving safe and sound every single